Hello, third grade, and welcome to our very first writing assessment on Edulastic. Now, in the spring, we're going to take a test called I Learn, and we will write a performance task that uses multiple texts and has us write in a certain form. We're practicing informational now, and we'll practice 2 more before we take those, but this is what it's going to look like. So I want you to try your best. You're going to read both, use information from it, and then we will go over it together in the following days. But I do want you to try your best. So some strategies you can use. First, I want you to read through each passage all the way through. And then you can use the scratch pad to help you draw an outline. Now I would use this toggle tool to help give you more space. Mine's not working right now, but it should work on yours so you can get it as a full page. And then you can write notes on here. So you could draw a graph for each one of your paragraphs. We learned how to write our paragraphs by using a table of content. So you could do the same. You could have the first paragraph. Maybe I want to write about the Arctic. Maybe my second paragraph, I want to talk about the landscape. And my third one, I want to talk about facts about the animals. Remember, you have an introduction at the top and a conclusion at the bottom. So once you find some information on the side, you can add it next to Antarctic and then write your paragraphs. After you have your outline, you can also do this on a separate piece of paper. I actually suggest doing it on a separate piece of paper instead. You can begin typing. Remember, you have to click the space bar 5 times to get an indent, or you can click the tab tool to get your first indent. I need to see 5 paragraphs. Remember, paragraphs look like this. As many paragraphs as you can write in answering the question. Your friend thinks it is possible for people and animals to live in the Arctic. Write a letter to your friend explaining it is possible to live in the Arctic. Include information about how people and animals are able to survive in cold. Use ideas and facts from both articles in your letter. So there's one called Life in the Deep Freeze, and the second one called Into It. So read both of the passages, and you're going to use parts of the passage in your writing. Try your best, and we will go over them in our groups next week.